What is up, YouTube? I am super excited today because my friend Alessandro, he always comes up with really cool stuff, and today he's really outdone himself. He's come up with a way of taking the old and making it new again. And of course, I'm going to give you an insane bonus. I'm going to tell you all about it. It's all coming up in my review of the digital sales empire. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can phone successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, and by the way, if you're not new, you know the drill. Go ahead and feel free to skip ahead. My jokes, well, they're pretty gosh darn stale. Kind of like the bagels I bought last week and are already sitting in the garbage because they are hard as rocks. New York bagels. I love New York bagels. There's a thing about New York water that makes the bagels really special, but if you leave them sitting around, they get hard as a rock and they're not very good. But anyway, I digress. Seriously though, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things: a review software and info products in the make money online niche. And why is this just such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Or, you know, your jokes, they're even more stale than those New York bagels from last week. Seriously, it's enough. Come on, get a new line. Anyway, seriously, if you are new, the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip, my add to the product great. If I don't, better luck next time. I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz Lemon. You see, Liz is a sweetheart. Who can get angry, although she's a fellow New Yorker? Anyhow, and by the way, you can see, but if you saw my last video, I was temporarily relocated to San Francisco and back here in beautiful New York City. And even with all the problems, I do love New York City. It's a great place, even with all the issues that we have here and with our mayor who doesn't seem to quite know what he's doing. It's a great city though. Anyhow, but seriously, let's go ahead and talk about this. If you are new, make sure you smash the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Like this video, let's get right into this. Okay, so we are looking right now, this is the sales page for the digital sales empire. Now, this is really cool stuff. So there's a website that I am particularly fond of called Etsy, and I spent way too much money on Etsy. Etsy is known, it's kind of like eBay for creative types, and mostly people put up artwork, and I happen to be something of a patron of the arts. I love art. I love antiquities, antiques. I have a lot of antique furniture. I have an ungodly number of paintings that you know, my fiance keeps saying that we have too many. I think you can never have too many because I love art. I have all kinds of glass art. I have ancient glass. I have all kinds of antiquities. Really interesting stuff. Anyhow, that's neither here nor there, but I've bought a lot of that stuff on Etsy because Etsy is known for creatives. Well, Etsy doesn't have to be just about creatives. It can also be a place that you can actually make money by selling courses. And yes, people do actually buy a lot of digital products on Etsy. I see them constantly. Okay, for example, I very often, you know, like I said, I like to buy artwork, and I've bought paintings on Etsy. But I also see a lot of very nice pieces that are basically a digital download where somebody literally is just selling you a digital image that you can print on your own. You can take it to a print on demand store, or you want a small copy and you have a printer, you can print it out, on your own, I guess, whatever it is. And they charge you $5, $10, $15, and they can sell 1 million of them, and it doesn't cost them anything because it's like, you know, make one sale, make 100 sales. It's a digital asset, doesn't cost anything. So my friend Alessandro, he came up with this really cool idea. He said, hey, you know what? Why don't we, instead of just selling you know, creatives, why don't we sell courses on Etsy? And he started doing that, and it's really cool. It actually does work. You can sell courses on Etsy, absolutely. And you can sell it for a couple of bucks, and it doesn't matter because you sell it for $1, you sell it for $10, doesn't matter because literally it's free money. Okay, because if you already own it, if you have PLR content, it's not saturated with PLR yet. A lot of people haven't come up with this idea yet. And so you could sell a ton of this stuff over on Etsy and make real money doing it. Now, of course, I have a really insane bonus that fits more into the ethos of what Etsy is. Etsy, as I said, is all about doing creative stuff. And so basically, I am going to give you a set with several hundred templates that you can customize using free software. It's very easy to do. I'm not a creative type myself, but I know how to customize stuff. And you can customize logos. You can customize those the graphics. You know, you know where on a website like my websites when you see a mock-up, that's the word I was looking for, a mock-up of a product with the box and everything like that. Even though it's a digital product, it's not really, there's no box or anything. You can actually see a mock-up with all that stuff on you can actually make those things very, very easily. I'll show you how to do that. You can make all kinds of video creations with it, all kinds of stuff. There's several hundred templates available in this thing. Okay, I usually sell it for $37. You're going to get it for free as a bonus when you pick up Alessandro's course from me. Alessandro's course, by the way, goes for $17. So think about this. I sell this thing for $37. Okay, and I've sold probably over 100, 150 copies of this thing. Okay, for $37 each. All right, and you're going to get it for 17. Seriously, not kidding. The exact same thing that other people pay $37, you're going to get for 17, plus you get Alessandro's course on top of that. Together with, he's going to give you a bunch of PLR content that you can sell. And if you've bought some PLR from me, this is a perfect place to go and try to sell that PLR content, by the way. So you're going to get all those things for your $17. Now, if you pick up any upgrade to Alessandro's course, then I've got an extra bonus for you that you are going to love. So pick up any upgrade to Alessandro's course, and I am going to give you the 25 ebook covers that are part of the basic package for Graphics Supremacy. You're going to be able to sell those as your own inside of Etsy. So you can actually sell these things to people, sell it for whatever you like, $5, $10, whatever you want. You can actually sell those exact covers. Okay, you can put up the images and sell the exact covers, and people will buy them on Etsy, and you can make money off of it. Okay, pick up any upgrade, you're going to get that. Pick up any 2 upgrades, and not only will you be able to sell those covers, you're also going to get PLR to my entire Graphics Supremacy course. That means that you'll be able to sell Graphics Supremacy as your own on Etsy. Okay, so you're going to get the entire course to sell on Etsy if you pick up any 2 upgrades. Pick up any upgrade, you get the 25 ebook covers that are part of Graphics Supremacy. Pick up any 2 upgrades, and you're also going to get PLR to Graphics Supremacy. If you already have Graphics Supremacy, by the way, you already have the 25 ebook covers, you can send my support an email, let us know. Anybody who's purchased Graphics Supremacy from us before, you just let us know. We'll look it up and see that you purchased it, and we'll get you something else that will be of equal value to that. We'll figure something out for you. I don't know exactly what yet, but we'll figure something out for you. Just send us an email or let us know what you like instead. You can do that too. We'll work something out for you to give you something of equal value. If you already have the 25 ebook covers from Graphics Supremacy, obviously I want you to be happy, so we'll get you something else. Just let us know what something else that you think is of equal value. Obviously, we're not going to provide you with a custom done package, so don't ask us to set up your own sales page or something for you, because that's something that's not of equal value. Because that's something that we do have to put in time and money on. But anything else of equal value, something that you think is cool, that you would like, let us know. We'll get it. We'll work something out for you and get you that bonus. So again, pick up the basic package, and I'm going to give you several hundred templates for mock-ups, for videos, for Instagram videos, for logos. You get all those things that you're going to be able to customize and sell on Etsy. And I'm going to show you how to customize them with free software, completely, totally for free. You won't have to spend a penny on them. You get it totally for free, okay? If you pick up any upgrade, then you're also going to get the 25 ebook covers from Graphics Supremacy. If you already have Graphics Supremacy, let me know and we'll get you something else instead of those 25 ebook covers. Pick up any 2 upgrades, and I'm going to do something I've never done before, which I'm going to give you PLR to Graphics Supremacy. You can sell the entire course over on Etsy, together with the 25 ebook covers, of course. So that's going to be my bonus. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at the members area real quick. Okay, so this is the members area. Okay, you can see here it's an extensive course teaching you everything you need to know in order to sell all this stuff over on Etsy. And it's really cool stuff. You can sell pretty much anything you like on Etsy. It's not limited to creative stuff, even though that's what it started out as. I see all kinds of stuff being sold on Etsy today, and people actually pay a premium on Etsy as opposed to buying over on eBay. eBay has a reputation still for it being like, who can sell it for lower? Etsy has more of a premium reputation where people are actually selling stuff that has a higher value because people consider it to be more of a creative place. So you can actually sell things for more money than you can sell on eBay. So it's a pretty cool thing. So let's go ahead and see if I am going to give a tip match the product creator or not.
You the man!
Yeah, seriously, you the man. Okay, look. Every time Alessandro comes up with something, it's always cool stuff, and this one is especially cool because I know Etsy. I've bought way, way, way too much stuff on Etsy. Spent a lot of money buying stuff on Etsy because I love art and antiques, like I said. But there's so much more you could sell on Etsy. You can make so much money on Etsy. I'm going to start doing this myself because I think this is really, really cool. I think you should grab this because this is awesome. You're going to love it.